Hello everybody! Today I thought I'd share with you a little mini haul, items that I've purchased to sell on my eBay shop. Now I decided to do it in this style because I don't know whether you can hear in my voice that I'm actually not 100%. I am recovering from a fairly awful bug that I had. I was in bed all weekend and I currently have a very blotchy, very ill looking face, and I just didn't want to impose that on you, but I did really want to share with you some fun bits that I picked up, and I know you guys love these hauls, so yeah, I wanted to share with you. So mainly I've got clothing, I've got a handbag as well, and I've got something else that I wanted to share with you which I was fairly excited about. So I will jump into this right now. This skirt, I don't know whether you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't, it's at Chasing Secrets Boutique, and I have mentioned that the blush burgundy combination for an outfit is a hugely popular trend at the moment, so I'm on the lookout for anything in a blush pink colour, burgundy red colour, mulberry, Oxford, wine, that kind of colours. These together are hugely popular, and also skirts with pockets in them and also skirts with buttons in them are quite trendy as well. So when I picked this one up, even though it is absolutely filthy, it needs a good wash. It was only £1, and it's by Topshop, UK size 10. So I'm hoping to get about £15 for that one, so we'll see. Obviously it's got to get washed and styled up, and hopefully, yeah, that should sell quite well. Next I picked up this Karen Millen cardigan. Now I have to be careful with these sort of mesh cardigans because they have a habit of having holes, and that's why people tend to donate them. So I made sure that there weren't any holes. I will double check before I list and send out to a customer. But I really like this because it's got like the sheer mesh knit. It's lovely cream colours, it's neutral, got engraved buttons, and in the back it is sheer with this like dart pleat on the back, and it's a size large, so that's a good size. So hopefully that will sell, probably the £25 mark, maybe a little bit more, we shall see. The next is a hit and miss brand for me. It's by Capri and it's a Lagen look brand. They can sell in the region of upwards of £10. This one I'm actually just going to use as what they call a loss leader, although I won't be making a loss because it was only £1. It is a UK 10 and it's quite an unusual pattern, and it's got these contrast sleeves, so actually it's quite unusual, so it probably will go for more than £10. But I'm going to start it off at a low price and hopefully have a little bit of a bidding war on that one. That'll bring some customers to my store. Next is a vintage glossy shirt. It's not satin, but it has a high sheen to it. It's got a fine pinstripe, it's like a dusty blue colour, and it is really lovely. You can see the quality in it. The buttons are unusual, they've got like this square engraving on it. But as it was only £1, I think styled up with a statement necklace, that will sell rather well. These glossy shirts are very popular with the blogging crowd at the moment, so hopefully that will sell to someone who can appreciate the style. This is a cute little skirt. This one's by Next. It's PU leather and it's pleated. It's high-waisted and it is immaculate. I'm really happy about this one. This was only £1, so I didn't mind picking up a size 6. Size 6 don't sell too quickly for me, but for £1 and for the actual style of it and quality of it, I couldn't complain for that one. So hopefully I will get £15 for that one too. Next one, I'm not sure how well this will sell. It does say £3.49 and it is a UK 8, but the label looks absolutely brand new and it doesn't look worn. It doesn't have a worn smell, so I'm thinking it's new without tags. Summer's coming up, the festival season's coming up. I'm sure someone will like this. I didn't pay £3.49, I did actually have a voucher that I spent, so I probably spent less than 99p on this item, so that was a good little bargain. Yes, I like that one. Yeah, I'll probably get £15 for that one as well. Well, that's what I'm going to hope for anyway. This item is absolutely gorgeous. I wasn't sure whether I wanted to keep this myself. It is like a safari cargo dress. It's got like a utility pocket, it's got drawstring with like gold toggles. It's got pockets, I don't know if I mentioned that, but it's really pretty. It's a silver label from H&M. It does need a clean. I can see there's some marks on there, so it will need a good hand wash. But overall it's really cute. I like that one. Yeah, I'm going to try it on, see if I like it for summer, because I might wear that myself. That was £1, so yeah, hopefully get about £15 for that one. This one is in nice tidy condition. It is used. The label shows it has gone through a couple of washes, but there are no pulls. You have to be careful with sheer polyester because it does pull quite easily, and especially with polka dots, because it will actually show up on it if there are any like imperfections. But this one is very neat and tidy. This was £3.49. It's got these lovely pleats on it. Look out for spotty things. It's always very popular. Yeah, people who like vintage inspired blouses, this will appeal to. And it is Topshop, so it is a popular brand. I see no reason why I can't get £15 for that one. I like it. There we go, you see. Very pretty. There we go. This is a River Island. Now just to add, guys, if you want to bring people to your store, if you've got some more obscure items and you want people to come and see them because of the style of the items or whatever, do get yourself some decent well-known brands, even if you have to pay up a little bit for them, because these well-known high street brands will actually bring customers to your store, and everyone likes to have a look around, so they will look at your other listings if your current listing is interesting enough. They go, oh wow, this is a really interesting listing, I like the way it's photographed and stuff, I like the way it's styled, I like the way how clean and tidy it looks. I'm going to go look at the rest of the store, see what other listings this person's got, because I just like the way how they present themselves, and that will get them to come and look. So even if they don't buy this particular item, they may buy something else from you. So this one's nice because it actually features a current trend at the moment, and it's going into spring and summer. If you look at the runways on Vogue.com, it's contrasting florals, and as you can see it's got these lovely florals here, but then they've got the ditzy florals on the collar and the cuffs and the shoulders. This is a boxy cut shirt with the peak collar, Peter Pan collar, so yeah, it's hitting a lot of trends at once, and also it is River Island, so yeah, I can't complain with that one. This was £3.49. Again, I paid using a voucher, so I don't think I paid more than £1 for this one. So that will hopefully be a good sell. This is another River Island item, bought on the same day. This one must have been donated by the same person. It's a size 12, beautiful red colour. These rich jewel red colours are very trendy at the moment, perfect for all seasons. This is a boxy cut. It's got an interesting cut here. It is a long short sleeve, if that makes sense. They go to the elbows, a V neck, and what's nice about this one is it's got a little keyhole. It has this very avant-garde feel to it, very COS. If you know that brand, that's another brand you should be looking at, COS. This has a little mark on here, so that will need to go in the wash. This is a good way of checking for flaws and imperfections before listing. Here's another really good brand to get people coming to your store, is Zara. This is a nice one because it has pockets, it's boxy cut, and it's got polka dots. So, and it's dip hem also. I can see some trailing threads there, so they'll need cutting off, but it's a nice large size, and that'll look gorgeous with some high-waisted jeans tucked in at the front, maybe with a statement necklace, or maybe a delicate long pendant. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I can't see why I can't get £15 for that one. This is also another trend, especially with the younger lot. I think Karen Millen, in fact I know for a fact Karen Millen have also brought out some pieces with this feature. Items of clothing with rivets and lacing. This has obviously been worn at least once and been through the wash. The person obviously wasn't too keen on it. This is by New Look. I won't imagine me getting more than £10 for this. However, it's got a cool feature on it, so I can't see why that won't sell. If I think it looks really nice styled up, I might keep this one for myself, or at least wear it a couple of times before I resell it on. But yes, it's a really nice piece, and it was only £1, so £10 you know, that'll make me at least £6 profit, so that's not a waste of time. And finally, for the clothing pieces, is this H&M pin dot utility shirt. It's got the utilitarian military styled shoulder details here. We've got these really nice metal ball detailings here, and it's got hidden buttons, got the slouchy pockets, and also it is roll sleeve. As you can see, there's some ball bearings there. Now I made sure that all of these features were actually there, because it's not like buttons where you can just replace one of them. If one's missing, it's no good, because not many people have these sort of items in their replacement button collections. But this one, it does actually have this main tag removed, but the size tag is still there. And let's see if the wash tag is still there. No, the wash tag's no longer there either. But for £1 I don't really mind because of style. I don't see why I won't get more than any less than £10 for that. It's a nice style shirt, it's classic, it won't date, and it'll look really good styled up. I find styling them gives people that inspiration they need just to make that purchase. Now this is a piece that I'm really excited about. I've always loved these. I've always been very inspired by the lady who owns this company. She was brought to my attention through a Google advert, and she started her business with only £900 from her kitchen, and she basically just designed her old school satchel. That was her inspiration, and she just started designing these satchels, and now she does them in brightly coloured versions, brightly patterned. She's even doing collabs with people like Vivienne West and things like that. But this piece is in immaculate condition. It does need cleaning, but there is no like major flaws at all. It's been hardly used. It's the silver hardware. I don't know whether I mentioned, but this is the Cambridge Satchel Company. All the hardware is actually logoed. So we've got Cambridge on here, we've got little bikes on there, there's Cambridge on here, and then if we turn it around, we have the Cambridge Satchel Company embossed in there. As you can see, it looks like it's been in someone's wardrobe unused, and it's just been slightly crushed. So it just needs padding out. It's a very traditional collar, so it's not going to scare off anybody, and for £6 I could not believe it. I spotted it on the shelf across the room, saw it there, and I was like, I wonder if that is what I think it is. And I checked it out, it definitely was. I was very, very happy. The lady at the till, she's like, oh, I've literally just put this out. I'm glad you bought it, I'm a regular there. She's like, oh, I'm pleased you liked this one. And for £6, that's amazing. I will get at least £40 for this, that's minimum. So that's going to make a nice tidy profit. And last but not least, this is not fashion related, but I will never turn down an opportunity to make money. I will never leave money on the table if I think I can make cash quickly. If it's a slow sell, I'm not too excited about it, but if it's a fast sell, why not? Now these I picked up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and these are that's a different style box, but it's the same product inside. And these are Sony colour print packs. These are the refillable photograph paper. There's the cassettes, so you've got 60 times cassettes, or wait a minute, ink ribbons, and you've got 20 sheets. So it's the ink and the sheets. As you can see for on the tag there, I'm losing my breath here, I'm not very well and I can't breathe. I paid £1 each for these. I scanned these in the shop and they are going for at least £50 a box. So for a £400 spend, sorry, for a £4 spend, hopefully that will net me £200. If that is the case, that will probably be the best sale I've made purchase price compared to sale price. The last time I made such a good deal was when I bought a little clay dragon, and I thought he was very special, and I paid £1 for him, and he sold to someone in Australia for £175. If you go on my Instagram, you will actually see the little dragon in there, and I told my story on there, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. You'll find me on at Chasing Secrets Boutique. So anyway, I'm going to go get a drink of water. I've got 10 parcels to get parcelled up and ready to go out today, and then I've also got to start packing boxes because my new space is nearly done. It'll be done in the next 10 days, I think, ready to move into, so I need to be getting inventory and boxes. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. You have a great week selling, guys, and yeah, say hello. Always happy to hear from you. Speak to you soon. Bye.